Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these summertime fun mini ice cream cones. Grab your supplies and let's rock! Roll out a piece of neutral colored clay. It should be about this thick. I'm using this tool, I have no idea what it's called, but it has a waffle cone kind of pattern on it. Roll it over your clay. Cut out a circle. Then cut that in half. Then cut off about 1/4 of the circle and discard that. We'll be using these two halves to make the ice cream cones. Use either a needle tool or a toothpick to roll up your ice cream cones. You want the center to still have a hole. Use a tissue blade and shave off a little bit of brown pastel. And then brush this onto your ice cream cone. Go ahead and use your creative license and decorate these cones however you would like. Just be sure to bake these when you're done. Once you've baked your cones, use some brown paint and brush on some highlights on your cone. Now for the sweet part. Use any color clay you'd like, roll it into a ball, and place it on top of your cone. Use a needle tool or a toothpick to add a lip around the bottom of the ice cream. We want it to look like it just got scooped up by an ice cream dipper. Use a tool brush or a toothbrush and add texture to your ice cream. Pre-poke the holes for your eye hooks. Now for the messy part. Mix Bacon Bond and black chalk pastel. This will be the hot fudge on top of our ice cream. Mix it until it's no longer chunky or chalky. You want it nice and smooth like creamy peanut butter, even though crunchy's better. Take some old scrap clay, poke holes in it, and use this to hold your ice cream cones. Apply your hot fudge. Be sure to add a little dripping down the side, just like real hot fudge would. Roll out your sprinkle colors, and then chop off tiny pieces. And then roll out those teeny pieces into tiny sprinkles. And then arrange those on top of your fudge. Bake your mini ice cream cones. Glue in your eye hooks and resin. To assemble your earrings, all you'll need is a jump ring and an earring hook. And then these are your mini, I wish they were edible, earrings. Please be sure to subscribe. I do post videos twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday. Oh, I also made a second pair. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!